All right, quick announcement. If you are a copywriter, if you're trying to get into freelance copywriting and you've been following me for a while, then I just want to let you know that my April one-on-one coaching just opened up. So what does that mean for you? That means I have 2 spots left right now to take on 2 more copywriters. I'm taking on 2 copywriters right now who are looking to grow a freelance copywriting business to 10K per month. If that is your plan, if that is your goal, but you are struggling to figure out how to make this work, if you are confused on what to work on every day, if you're trying to learn copywriting but don't really know where to start or how to make progress, if you don't know how to land your first client, and if you're struggling to make progress in that area, and you'd rather have the support of someone who's earned over $800,000 as a copywriter, who's been doing this for 7 years, and who has taught over 900 students how to do this thing, then you might want to apply. So here's what's included. You're going to get one-on-one calls with me every single week. You're going to get daily copywriting and outreach feedback to make sure you're leveling up fast. You're going to get DM support in between our weekly one-on-one coaching calls. Not join my coaching and you're going to be thrown off into a bunch of random coaches who you don't know. It's literally me working with you directly, privately, personally mentoring you. On top of that, you're going to get access to 2 juicy things. You're going to get free access to the academy. So you get free access here. So you get my full course to walk through, a 90-day roadmap, literally every single thing you need to work on to learn copywriting from scratch. Every single thing, sales pages, emails, frameworks. You're going to get everything you need to start landing clients. Literally my entire outreach system that gets my average student their first client in 30 days. You're going to get access to a community of 100 other copywriters. You can see them online here. You're going to get access to a community of wins. Look at this. Kevin just landed a $2,000 client. Actually, it's going to be $4,000 next month. You can see people winning here. Selena, $300 for 2 emails. We got a bunch of people winning here. Upwork gigs, $1,000 a day. Corey got a $2,000 retainer client. What else? We got people landing clients here. Austin got a $1,500 cash collected right there, right? So people winning clients. You get access to that community. You get access to my full course. On top of that, you're going to get access to my brand new lead finding and outreach tracking tool made specifically for copywriters. It is the only lead finder tool on earth made for copywriters, SnipeKit. You're going to get access to SnipeKit for free for joining my one-on-one coaching. We got 94,000 companies in here in the database that are ripe and ready, that have a marketing budget. Look at these. You can filter by who's running ads, right? We got 26,000 companies running Facebook and Instagram ads. If we want to see who's running Google ads, 23,000 people running Google ads as well. We got people you can filter by email list, filter by niche, all that stuff. On top of that, not only are you going to be able to find these people who actually have a budget, you are going to be able to track your outreach and lead lists. So you can go into these are my relationship coaches here that I'm targeting. Look at this. You can go in and track where you are at the conversation. DM, did they reply? Did you send free value? Did they go through? Did you get on a call? Did you win them as a client? On top of that, you're going to get the outreach stats dashboard that's going to be able to track your outreach performance across all your lists. You're going to see what your close rate is, your DM to reply rate, every single metric you need to see exactly where you need to improve as your copywriter with your outreach day by day. So when you join my coaching today, you're going to get access to me, my full support, my full course, community of 100 other copywriters, weekly one-on-one calls with me, daily copywriting feedback and outreach feedback. You get access to DM support through me. You get access to the academy of 100 other copywriters, many of these guys winning, landing clients left, right, and center. You get access to that. You get free access to that. You get free access to SnipeKit, the only lead finder and outreach tracking tool made specifically for copywriters. But guess what? There's only 2 spots left. So if you are interested, DM me the word April today to apply. I don't accept everyone who applies. There's only 2 spots left. DM me the word April if you want to hear more. Thanks.